Hi friends, how are you? I am Mohammad Leon from LeonsBD. Welcome to LeonsBD after a week. In this tutorial, I will show you how to add hyperlink in MS Word 19. So what is hyperlink actually? A hyperlink is a link address that could be attached with a picture, with a phrase or with a word. As simple as that. In this tutorial, I will show you 3 uses of hyperlink. So let's get started, and before starting the video, I'm requesting you, if you are new to my YouTube channel LeonsBD, please subscribe and press the bell icon for notification, just because of I make videos on technology, and now at this moment MS Word series is going on. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, this is actually a IEEE paper. Okay, so if I want to use here the hyperlink, so like for reading the full paper from website, click here. So on click here, I will attach hyperlink. So when user will take their mouse pointer on click here, they will see a link, and if they click on this link, they will be redirected to the website from where it came. Okay, so for doing that, just select click here or the text where you want to attach the link. Okay, then from here, link. Okay, so insert hyperlink, link to existing file or web page. So since I will add a website link, that is why I am selecting this option. Then from here, text to display, click here. Okay, then here I will paste the address. Okay, this is actually the link, so I'm copying it from here, copy, and I'm pasting it here, just paste. Okay, so from here just click on OK. See that click here, color has been changed. Okay, so color became blue. So now at this moment, if I take my mouse pointer on click here, see what it is showing. It is showing the actual link. For following that link, press Ctrl from your keyboard and just left click. See what happened? It's loading, and it has been redirected to the actual link from where it came. It is loading. See? So this is how you can use hyperlink in a text. Okay, now I will show you how to use hyperlink for showing the first line of any document. Okay, for reading the first line of this paper, click here. Okay, so on click here, I will add a hyperlink. When user will click on this click here, they will go to the first line of this document. Maybe your document is 100 page. Scrolling 100 pages is really a boring job. So if you don't want to do that, you can just simply add a hyperlink. Okay, so for doing that, right click, link. From here, place in this document, text to display, click here, select a place in this document. So I'm selecting top of the document and just simply click on OK. So hyperlink has been added. Now if I take my mouse pointer on click here, so from my keyboard I'm pressing Ctrl, and from mouse just left click. See what happened? I came to the first line of this document. Okay, so I think this is fantastic. Okay, so next we will show you another sort of hyperlink, that is for creating a new document. Click here. So on click here, I will add a hyperlink by which when user will click on this click here, okay, a new document will be created. Okay, so how cool is that? For doing that, right click, link. From here, create new document. Name of the new document. What will be the name of the new document? So I'm giving the name, maybe Hello World. So full path, from here you can change the path. Here desktop is selected. I'm keeping it as it is. So when to edit? Edit the new document now or edit the new document later? Edit the new document now. I'm keeping it as it is. Then from here just simply click on OK. So if user click on this click here, they will go to a new document, or a new document will be created. From your keyboard just press Ctrl and take your mouse pointer here and just left click. See, a new document has been created. Okay, so yeah, that's it. It was all about of adding hyperlink in MS Word. Okay, what I have shown you 3 uses of hyperlink in MS document. Okay, so hopefully you like this video. If you do, give a huge thumbs up, share this content with your community. Thanks for watching. See you in the very next tutorial. Till then, take care.